All right, who's ready for the turkey season here in 2022? We're going to be doing a semi-live series called Turkey Season 22. Prior to that, we're going to show you 3 installments within that series, but these were some of the best hunts from last year. And we went through probably 40 different hunts and we said, here's the pick of the crop. And we wanted a pep rally, if you will, getting ready for the semi-live stuff. We're going to do some semi-lives on YouTube. We're going to do some lives. We're going to film some kills with our cell phones, post them straight to Instagram. We're going to do more in terms of social media and the posting for the Turkey Season 22 series than we've ever done in the past. So watch all of our different pages. But for now, we're going to Missouri with Bruce Petit, then to Iowa the same morning. He got to kill 2 different turkeys the same day, and the styles and the way we killed these 2 birds are drastically different. So check out the calling, check out the decoy setups, and then we're going to a classic, awesome hunt. Bird coming down a field road and then in through these cedars. Taylor's up to bat. So 3 incredible hunts, all of them different tactics. And I think you'll see why we picked these 3 to start this series out. So here's the pep rally for Turkey Season 22. Everybody, let's get fired up for turkey season.
Set the decoys out, and then I realized I didn't have audio running on the camera well. We have audio now. Here's what we're thinking now. We're fired up. We got birds all around us. Hopefully they come to this beautiful clover field. Although we just had a couple of hens pitch the other way. What do you think, Bruce?
We've got birds. We've got birds 180 degrees around us. There's got to be one rolling into this field.
Hopefully.
Yeah. It's pretty exciting. It's a beautiful morning too, man. What a great spot to hunt turkeys right here.
She's looking at him. Okay, you don't move. So, we've already gotten out of the blind once. Got to the base. A turkey gobbled on the ridge right behind us, so I've started to work him and yelp at him. He gobbled, and then 2 others gobbled, but I hear hens up there with him. So, rather than leave these turkeys, we're going to allow nature to run its course here. Hopefully a hen leaves, or their hens leave one of these 3, and one of them works their way to this clover field. Up there with him. Literally right with him. Slowly grab your gun. Yeah, he's coming. Oh, yeah.
You're done.
Good job, Bruce. Congratulations. He did it. How awesome was that? He came.
You brought him.
It was awesome.
That was that one you were talking to the whole time.
It was awesome.
He got hot. Good job, Mark.
Nice work, buddy.
Great work,
Good
man.
shot. Great work. You got him.
Oh no, he's toast.
Beautiful shot, buddy.
I love to hunt everything, but I love hunting turkey. You know, this is it's fun doing it with you because you're so passionate about it. I know you have the same passion and love for hunting that I do, and I appreciate that so much. It's fun spending time with you.
God, it's so fun. Congratulations, Bruce, and we just appreciate everything you do for Drury Outdoors and hunters all across the country. I mean, that's what's so cool about our partnership. Like, from the first day we met, it's like we'd known each other our entire lives.
I know.
Right? And it just... There's a turkey under there somewhere, Bruce. I know there's a turkey under there.
Get out of here.
Yeah. There's my boy.
Mark, we got birds in this corner right over here.
I see him.
There's a bunch of them.
I don't want to slow down.
Yeah.
Why don't you glass
Yeah, I can.
as we go by, because I don't want to booger them from this road.
Yeah, we got 3 longbeards in the middle. That's that. Look at that big body. That one in the middle is real big body.
2 hens, 3 longbeards.
Yeah, no doubt about it.
All right, we saw some birds from the county road, and we're going to jump up in here and see if we can't get on them. There's a good approach to these turkeys. All right, we killed a bird in Missouri, and now we crossed the line into Iowa, and we saw birds out in this field from the road, and we're going to make an attempt to go down here and see if we can find them. It's getting windy, so it might actually help us a little bit. There were 3 gobblers and 2 hens. We saw them out in this tillable field. Now they're on our side of the fence, actually coming up this hill. Ghost tongue. Oh, right here, birds. There's hens right in front of us. Yeah, yep. I just saw the hens out in front of us on this. birds, 2 states.
2 birds, 2 states, 1 morning.
Congratulations, Bruce. 2 birds, 2 states. First time ever?
Definitely the first time ever. I've never had the opportunity to hunt turkeys in 2 states in 1 day. This was special. It really was. And to do it with you, Mark, was awesome. That was 2 great hunts, and you know, both of them had opportunities to kind of completely blow up on us. You know, like you think about it, both hunts were completely different, and both we had to go through this, you know, the cycle of, okay, this is not going to happen. We literally, on this Iowa bird, we had a hen, I mean, feet from us, feet. I literally, she looked like, in my scope, she looked like she was on top of me.
Alrighty, well, I I just wrapped my last tag here in Missouri for turkey season 2021, and we are ultra excited to show you guys this quick little epic hunt that we had.
This is a good one. It involves a green lane, 2 decoys, and an incredible shot at 12 yards.
Heck yeah.
Nice shot.
Good shot, Taylor.
Heck yes.
Wow, that was awesome.
Ready.
Boy, that worked.
That was beautiful.
Good job.
That was epic.
That was fun.
Literally heard him from the truck, like back there. We just set up super quick, and here he came. Not
We had the
far
decoys
at all.
behind us, so he was on his
Yeah.
way.
He wasn't even looking over towards us at
No.
all.
He was locked in.
He was locked down, lonely, and he's lonely no more. Awesome time.
That was beautiful. Had the
Beautiful.
Tacticam rolling.
Oh, good. Good job. How far was he? 12, 15 yards?
Yeah,
Yeah, probably.
that was
Boy,
fun.
he was just gobbling coming down that
Oh
road.
my gosh, he had no idea. That
Oh yeah, well I mean it's right there in that shade, he couldn't see a thing in the world.
And just a perfect setup.
yeah.
It's fun.
Good turkey. Man, what a beard, huh?
Oh, I was just waiting for Wade to say kill him.
Well I knew once he, you said
Then I
once
was
he passed
thinking
that.
he's probably too close for you, for you to even talk and say kill him.
No, I knew you said you had him best between the two shadows, and
Yeah,
as soon
once
as
he
he
got
stepped
right
out of the
here.
one in the sunlight, I said
I
kill him.
didn't see him until he got here.
Oh, no
He
kidding.
was completely brushed in from me, and then all of a sudden I was like, oh gosh, he's right here.
Awesome.
Boom.
Congratulations.
Get my tag notched. Second Missouri bird,
There you go.
917.
We just need to wait for our good luck charm this morning.
Yeah, what the heck? Wade slept in, we got up, and then he rolls in and we kill first.